In our drawing space, we have quite a lot of lines which we don't need. So what we're now going to do is learn how to delete these lines from our drawing. Again, there are many methods which we can do this. There are long ways and there are quick ways. First things first, we'll zoom into any particular line. We'll then go to the Home tab, and we're in the Modify panel. And here we have the Erase tool. What we'll do is we'll select the Erase tool, and you'll see on our cursor there's a little white square, and it's telling us to select the object. When we hover the cursor over the line, we see it becomes grayed out, and there's a small red X. So that's showing what will be deleted. And to select that, we'll click once with the left click of the mouse. And you now see it's grayed out and the red X has disappeared. So that is now selected. The reason it hasn't been deleted is because we can continue on and delete other lines. So I can select each one of these lines. To then complete the process, I will click Enter on the keyboard. And now the lines have been deleted. So that process was click on the Erase tool, select the line, and enter to complete the action. We'll then pan over to where we have more lines, and we can select any one of the lines, and we'll then click the Delete key on the keyboard. Most keyboards will have a backspace and a delete key. We want to hit the Delete key. Once you select the line, just one click of the Delete key will delete the object. We can also use our hotkeys, so E on the keyboard. When we select E in the command line, we'll see a list of commands will appear. So the hotkey for the Erase tool is E, so we'll click on E, and then to enter that command, we'll press Enter. And now we'll select our object and enter to complete. You can also select the line, right click and erase. To keep it simple, the delete key on the keyboard is the quickest way of erasing our objects. So what we'll do now is we'll utilize our green crossing window, select those lines, and one click on the delete key will erase all of those lines. Now we have cleaned up our drawing.